Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this Act CRM tutorial. So I had someone ask me, when you have a task list or a calendar and you want to look up the people on that task list, how do you do that? So every once in a while I'm asked a question where I think, you know what, I'm not sure if I've ever done that. And this is one of those situations where I'm not sure if, frankly, I've ever been asked that question or even really thought or considered that. So I like your questions, so keep them coming in. Anyway, here is a task list in my Act installed software database. And this is the task list. If you look up top, there's a magnifying glass. Now, if I click on that magnifying glass, it's going to look up all the people right here that are on this task list. So I'm going to click on that right there. And there's 42 things on that task list, and here are all the people. So another way to think about this is we also have Act in the cloud, and I want to show that to you as well. So I'm going to minimize this real quick. This is the cloud account. If you're in your task list, you can go over and click on the magnifying glass right here, and it will create a lookup. And there's my lookup of all the people that were in that task list. I'm going to go back to where I was. And once I go back to where I was, I'm going to show you now the calendar. And I had zoomed in a little bit to make it bigger, but this is my calendar. And if I want to look up the 5 things or so that are on this calendar, I can click on the magnifying glass, and now it's going to look up those 5 contacts. There we go. So you can do a lookup of the calendar or the task list by clicking on the magnifying glass in either one of those areas. And it takes you right to the contacts that are making up that calendar or task list. Thank you so very much for being here. You have a great day. Bye now.